Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a very exciting video for you. I will be teaching you tips and tricks on how to grow on TikTok in 2020. So if you don't know what TikTok is, where have you been? TikTok is a video creator. TikTok is a platform for making videos. It is an app you can download on your Android or Apple devices, any device you have. TikTok is mainly for short videos. So the basic time limit for a TikTok video is 15 seconds. But now, since the most recent update, you can upload a video up to 3 minutes long on TikTok. I have been on the app since it was Musical.ly. Now, Musical.ly came out in 2015, 2016-ish, and I was on there since that time. At the moment, I have 24,100 followers, and I've been on the app for about 6 years long. Musical.ly then changed from itself into TikTok. TikTok used to be a separate app by itself, but it bought over Musical.ly, so they changed Musical.ly completely into what is known now as TikTok. Now, when the app used to be Musical.ly, a lot of people used to make fun of it. They thought it was cringy, they thought it was horrible, they thought it was just an awful app. But now, in 2020, a lot of people are actually using it and getting onto the app to promote their businesses, to grow their media presence, and just to have a following. So today I'll be teaching you tips and tricks on how I grew my TikTok account, and I will be helping you grow your TikTok account. Let's get started. Okay, so my first tip, number one, is to switch on your TikTok analytics on your account. Basically, what TikTok analytics does, it shows you where your followers are from, what time your videos do the best. They show you trending sounds on TikTok that you could possibly use to make your videos blow up. And it will show you the different countries your video reached, the amount of time people spent watching on your videos, the amount of shares your video has, stuff like that. Now, I'm going to teach you how to get to your TikTok analytics. So I'm doing it on my second account because I haven't switched on my analytics for that account yet. So what you want to do is you click the three little dots in the corner, and it will take you to your settings and privacy. Now, on settings and privacy, you want to click manage your account. Once you've clicked manage your account, you see at the bottom in red, switch to pro account. You're going to click on that. Once you've clicked on that, they're going to give you two options, creator and business. Now, this is the wonderful thing about TikTok. They care if you have a small business, they cater for people like that. So if you want to open a business or you have a business account promoting your business things, products, whatever, then you can click the business option. And what business option does, it gives you an option to put your link in the bio. Is normally, if you want to put a link in your bio, if you're just a normal creator, you would have to reach 1,000 followers before you can do that. So the business option gives you an automatic link in the bio straight to your website, straight to your business, which is great. Okay, so then you click which option you want, creator or business. I'm going creator. Then they give me choose a category. Now, this is like Instagram, where I don't know if you guys have ever seen the Instagram bios, but it says at the bottom under the name nature something or art or something like that. This is basically that for your account. Now, I would choose entertainment, but there's many other options, art, fashion, cooking, anything. So you click what you want to click. Then they will give you an option for gender. Now, I forgot to put the screenshot up, but it's fine. You just choose your gender. That's not hard to explain. And then bam, you see the analytics option in your privacy and settings. You can click on that and it will show you your analytics. Here's my analytics, my profile views for the last 7 days, my new followers, my total video views. But of course, if you just switched on your analytics, you won't have these because you just switched on your analytics. So it will take time for it to load through your new analytics. It'll take a few days for your analytics to show up on your new videos that you posted. So I think this is a really helpful tool to show you what time you should post. And because if you are South Africa and most of your followers in America, you can't post in the daytime here because in America they're sleeping, if that makes sense. So this will really help you out. Tip number 2, never, ever, ever delete your videos, like ever. No matter how bad you think they're doing, never delete your videos. I posted a video on the 27th of August and it didn't do as well as I wanted it to, but I didn't delete the video. And I left it there and, weeks went on, days went on, etc. The other night I came home and the video was on 7,000 and something likes. I clicked refresh and it bounced to 11k likes. I was like, excuse me? So it suddenly blew up. Like suddenly, after days and days of sitting there. It is now currently sitting on, as I'm filming this, 61.2k likes and 429.5k views. This is a prime example of why I say never ever ever delete your videos, because they will suddenly blow up out of nowhere. Like seriously, literally never delete your videos. This video has now surpassed South Africa's viewing only, and my video has now reached the United States, South Africa, the United Kingdom, Canada, Ireland, and Germany. Now, another reason why I say don't delete your videos is because not only will they blow up, most likely eventually, but by deleting your videos, that also harms your account in some way. I don't think TikTok really likes when people delete their videos, and TikTok sees this when people delete their videos, and they start to almost shadow ban that account because of them deleting their videos. So what I would suggest, if you really want to get rid of a video, is what you're going to do is you click the three dots in underneath the comments of the video. Once you get there, you scroll all the way down to the end to privacy settings. You click on privacy settings. Then it says at the very top, who can view this video. You click on that and then you tick the private. So instead of deleting all your videos, rather private your videos. Sometimes by unprivating them after a long time, it can push them to the For You page again and could possibly blow them up. So just try that and see what happens. The third tip I have is always use hashtags. Like, I cannot stress this enough. Always use hashtags extremely. As you can see, under all my videos I have hashtags. I tried a video once without hashtags. Did not work at all. Always use hashtags. If you're doing a video, say for instance about Hamilton, the musical Hamilton. You guys will probably do a video about something else, but I want to do a video about Hamilton the musical. I would use hashtag Hamilton the musical. Then I would use two other hashtags. Maybe hashtags of the trending page. The trending page, you can find the trending page if you click that little discovery icon or discover icon, almost like a magnifying glass at the bottom. You click on that and all the trending videos come up. Maybe you use two hashtags from the trending page. At the moment we have Because of You and all the way up sitting at the top, so maybe use those two hashtags. Then you would use your own hashtags. Maybe I use always in my videos hashtag tegan marais, because that's where you can find all my videos. Stuff like that. Just mess around with the hashtags, but I would say keep it between 4 to 6 hashtags. Don't overdo the hashtags. Don't make your whole caption full of hashtags. That is wrong. Number four, I would say have a very attention-grabbing caption and thumbnail. Now, it's almost like YouTube, like clickbait. It's the same thing for TikTok. But instead on TikTok, you have a bonus. Not only do you have a picture thumbnail, but your caption is right there. So people will read your caption and then maybe want to continue watching your video, or they will see your thumbnail and your caption and they will be enticed to watch it. And this is my very last tip that I can think of right now. If something else comes up, I will do a part 2. But for now, my last tip is go live. Go live as much as you can. By going live, you do get followers, because people who don't follow your account see your live and they will click on. If they enjoy your live, they will stick to the live, watch it to the end, but maybe even give you a follow. But you should go live when one of your videos is blowing up or did blow up, because by going live when that happens, TikTok almost sees, okay, this person's live, so they almost push your video out more to the For You page because you're live and your video is blowing up. People will also follow you from that, because now you're on the For You page, and at the top of your profile on the For You page, they see the circle around your name that says live. So people from the For You page will join your live and probably follow you from there as well. So a lot of people ask, how do you go live? Unfortunately, you can only go live if you have 1,000 followers on TikTok. Now, if you do have 1,000 followers on TikTok, all you have to do to go live is you would click the little plus button as if you're going to film a video on TikTok. Once you click that, then what you want to do is go down at the bottom. You see 60 seconds, 15 seconds, templates, and live. You would scroll at the bottom until you find the live option. Once you find the live option, it says go live, and at the top you can change your thumbnail if you want to, or you can leave it just as your profile picture. You can leave a title. My title is come chat, whatever your title wants to be, and then you go live. Now, the cool thing about live is not only do you gain followers and you gain friction to your account, but you can possibly make some money. People on live will send you gifts, not always, but they can send you gifts. Once they send you gifts, those gifts can be transferred into dollars, and they are put into a PayPal account. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, it's super easy to go make. It's free to go make, so you guys should go make a PayPal account if you're planning on getting money from a live. And that's another goal you guys can set yourselves, is you want to reach 1,000 followers because you want to go live, because you want to make money. So yeah, set yourself that goal and you can possibly achieve it. Anyway, there you guys go. That is all my tips and all my tricks and all my don'ts for TikTok in 2020. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you guys did enjoy this type of TikTok video, please leave a comment down below and tell me, do you want a part 2? If you have any questions you want me to answer in the next TikTok video, please leave a comment below. Even if it's tutorials on how to do certain things on TikTok, maybe a beginner's video for people on TikTok, let me know in the comments, or let me know on my TikTok account. My TikTok account is at tegan.marais. The link is in the bio. Guys can go follow me on there if you're not from there, and leave me a comment on my most recent video telling me that you want me to do more of these videos, or if you have any other video suggestions, please leave a comment. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.